Oil rigs. They're the behemoths of the sea, towering structures of steel and grit that brave harsh weather and unforgiving conditions to bring us the black gold that powers our world. These aren't just any platforms. They're self-contained cities on the water, home to hundreds of roughnecks working tirelessly in the search for energy. There are two main types: jack-up rigs and floating rigs. Jack-ups are like giant tripods, their legs lowering to the seabed to provide a stable platform. Floating rigs, on the other hand, are designed to drift with the currents or are anchored to the ocean floor. A testament to engineering ingenuity. But no matter the type, the goal remains the same: to tap into reservoirs of oil and natural gas hidden deep beneath the ocean floor. It's a dangerous job, demanding precision, teamwork, and a healthy respect for the power of nature. But for the roughnecks who call these rigs home, it's more than just a job. It's a way of life. It's about pushing limits, overcoming challenges, and playing a vital role in keeping the world running. Finding oil isn't about sticking a pin in a map and hoping for the best. It's a science, a delicate dance between geology and technology. First, geologists analyze seismic data, using sound waves to create images of the Earth's crust, looking for telltale signs of oil and gas deposits. Think of it like an ultrasound for the planet, revealing the secrets hidden beneath the surface. Once a promising area is identified, it's time to gather more precise information. Specialized ships use sonar and magnetometers to map the seabed in detail, identifying any potential hazards and confirming the presence of hydrocarbons. Only after this thorough examination can the real work begin, selecting the optimal location for the rig and planning the installation process. This is where the real challenge starts, transforming data on a map into a tangible structure that can withstand the fury of the sea. Transporting and installing an oil rig is a logistical feat of epic proportions. Imagine moving a small city across the ocean and assembling it piece by piece in the middle of nowhere. That's the scale of the operation. Sections of the rig, some weighing thousands of tons, are loaded onto specialized heavy lift vessels. These aren't your average cargo ships. They're maritime behemoths designed to carry immense loads across vast distances. Once at the site, a carefully choreographed ballet begins. An armada of tugboats nudges the rig sections into place, while dynamic positioning systems on the heavy lift vessels counteract wind and waves, ensuring millimeter-precise positioning. Giant cranes, some capable of lifting thousands of tons, carefully lower each section into the water, where divers and remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, guide them into place. It's a slow and meticulous process, a testament to human ingenuity and the unforgiving nature of the marine environment. Section 4. Digging deep, the art of drilling. With the rig securely in place, the real work begins, drilling for oil and gas. This is where the roughnecks take center stage, operating powerful machinery with unwavering focus and expertise. A giant drill bit, tipped with super hard materials like diamond, is lowered through the rig's derrick and into the seabed. The drill string, a series of connected pipes, can extend for miles, rotating the bit and crushing through rock with immense force. As the bit drills deeper, drilling mud, a mixture of water, clay, and chemicals is pumped down the drill string. This mud lubricates the bit, carries cuttings to the surface, and helps prevent dangerous blowouts by maintaining pressure within the well bore. Reaching the oil and gas reserves is just the first step. Specialized tools are then lowered into the well bore to case the hole, preventing it from collapsing, and to control the flow of hydrocarbons to the surface. Section 5, safety first, second, and always protecting people and the planet. Working on an oil rig is inherently dangerous, but safety is paramount in every aspect of the operation. From rigorous safety training to advanced safety equipment, every precaution is taken to protect the crew and the environment. Rig workers undergo extensive training, learning how to handle emergencies, operate machinery safely, and work as a team in high-pressure situations. Regular safety drills are conducted to ensure everyone is prepared for any eventuality. Sophisticated fire suppression systems are in place to detect and extinguish fires quickly. Escape pods are strategically located throughout the rig, providing a safe haven in case of an emergency evacuation. Environmental protection is also a top priority. Advanced drilling mud systems minimize waste and prevent pollution. Oil spills are a constant concern, and rigorous measures are in place to prevent them and to respond swiftly and effectively should they occur. Section 6. Black Gold to Barrels. The journey from well to refinery. Once oil and gas reach the surface, the journey is far from over. A complex system of pipelines and processing equipment separates the hydrocarbons, removing impurities and preparing them for transportation. Natural gas is often transported via pipeline to shore, where it's processed and distributed to homes and businesses. Oil, on the other hand, is typically stored in large tanks on the rig or on nearby floating production, storage, and offloading vessels. From there, tankers shuttle the crude oil to refineries, where it undergoes a transformation. Through a series of heating, separation, and chemical processes, refineries break down the crude oil into its various components, producing gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and other essential products. The journey from well to refinery is a testament to human ingenuity and the interconnectedness of the global energy supply chain. It's a complex dance of logistics, engineering, and chemistry, all working in concert to bring us the energy we rely on. Section 7. The future of fuel balancing energy needs and environmental responsibility. Oil and gas rigs have played a vital role in meeting the world's energy needs. They fuel our cars, heat our homes, and power our industries. But the energy landscape is changing. Climate change concerns drive the shift to renewable energy. Governments and industries invest in sustainable technologies. The transition to a low-carbon future will take time. Oil and gas will remain crucial, focusing on sustainability. The industry evolves, reducing its environmental footprint. Techniques like carbon capture aim for fewer emissions. The journey of oil rigs continues towards sustainability.